someone. When I look into your eyes, I see plenty around.
Join us, guys. Our bond of love. Leave us some comments, guys. Join in, share with love. Our bond of love. All you see here is love, guys. Shows the P from Ibanke. Share it out. We don't want anybody to miss this game. This is one of the stories how we met each other, though it's also games couples play. You will not want anybody to miss it. Love is so sweet when you met the right child. Love is so nice when it is genuine. You don't have to foresee. You don't need to anticipate. It is love. It is love that we keep sugar. DJ love Asoka. Comment. DJ love Asoka. DJ love Asoka. I share with love. Our bond of love. Come on, your story. Who kiss each other first? Eh? Who said I love you first? Are you not curious? Or your shouts?
You are the love of my life.
DJ love Asoka. DJ love Asoka. DJ love Asoka. DJ love Asoka. Thank you so much for giving us like and love. We truly appreciate you. Please follow this page. Follow and like. We're gonna be seeing a lot of activities. I share with love. So guys, join us, share out, share on messengers. Please invite a lot of people. Our fans are very, very much out there. Despite that this is a new page, like we earlier said, and we'll continue to be reminding you guys of this. KO Family Program is still very much active. We are still waiting for it to be rectified. Like right now is just a little dull, okay? But nothing happened. All right, it is things. These are things that happen in life. Things that happen in life, okay? So sometimes devils strive. I don't know. Yeah. Strike. Okay, and then wants you to give up your dreams, all right? And we are not ready to give up our dreams. We are here to tell much about ourselves, to encourage people, okay? So next time we are bringing that topic as well, how we truly met each other, and the reason why you shouldn't give up on yourself, okay? That you shouldn't give up, not at all, shouldn't be an option at all for one to give up in life, because life is full of temptation and trouble. All right, so exactly what happened to our page right now in the process on your way to success. Anything can happen.
That is why there is a process before success.
And that is why there is a process before success. So it's supposed to as well encourage you guys, what is happening to us right now. Supposed to encourage anybody who is losing hope who is feeling like, oh, it's only me is happening to. No, not only you, it's as well happening to KO family program right now, so it might not take that long. So today we are working on, or we are bringing you this games couples play, and it's as well reality. Okay, so please don't let anybody miss it. Don't forget to follow this page. Be in a hurry to follow, like our page, and share. Tonight around 9 o'clock we are bringing you a reality show here, because we have a lot already. Many people has been bringing us story. Please help us to present this issue. Please help us to present issue. And we were waiting for many people to join first, but this our sister is urgent. This situation right now is urgent, and we need many of you to come and join us around 9 o'clock, because she had to make a decision and we don't know the right advice to give to her. Okay, we cannot make decision for her because it's quite difficult and it is important. You all know it's only important topic we bring to the table. So this our sister's own is really very sensitive and is very urgent, and that is why we are bringing it in today. Despite that not many people we are having on our page right now, yet we still have to do it for our sister. All right, thank you all so much. So the game starts. Elibo.
You know the story now.
I know the story. I know every story now. I know everything now.
So I'm in this game. I will just try to be honest.
Yeah, you have to be honest. Complete honesty we must be.
Yeah.
So we start with the number one question.
Okay.
Who said I love you first?
Who said I love you first? Of course, I was the one that said I love you first. You know now. You know that was not a lie now. You know, when I met you, we discussed and I found out that you have so many things in package. And as a man like me, as a bad guy, only men are bad guys. And when I saw her, I said, no, this person, I have to grab her. So I made advancement, and at the end of the day, I was the first person that said, I love you. And when I told her I love you, she was really, oh, really? Are you really sure? I said, yes, of course, my dear, I'm really sure, my dear. I'm just down to earth, just that I'm a very tall person. People that are short are down to earth. But we that are tall, we are not, we are up to earth. So I was the one that said I love you.
Okay. That is also short, right? So yes, my husband said he loves me first when we met each other. Okay. Who is more romantic?
Ooh, yesterday, that is why it's good for you to always follow this our broadcast, so that you won't miss out. Because yesterday I told you that my grandfather, his name was romantic.
You want to tell me that you are more romantic?
Hold on now. You asked the question now.
Okay.
So we have to be true to ourselves now. My grandfather's name was romanticism, while my father's name is romance. And my name is double romance. So I am more romantic than my wife. You know now.
Are you sure?
Baby, I'm sure now.
Let me check myself. Let me check myself, guys. Otherwise, my ladies then, they're going to say I fold their hands. Are you sure? Are you more romantic really, baby?
Really, I'm more romantic, both in bed, everywhere. You know now, you know the story now. So we'll not be everywhere about this up now. You know the story now. When I touch you, there are some places I touch you, It takes only a romantic, somebody that's very romantic to do that kind of touches,
You're right. My husband is actually very romantic. And I think you are more romantic, and he told me that he loves me first. Okay. And who cooks more? Of course, I cook more. I cook more. I cook better.
Yeah, she cooks. She's a nice cook.
Yes,
She's a good cook.
I cook different kind of food. I like to tantalize and mix up things. And I cook different kind of food because I'm used to cooking different kind of food. Because of my shape. Yeah. I don't want big tummy. I don't want big. I just want it kind of, keep shape somehow. So I cook different kind of food, every kind of. It doesn't matter if it is tasteful or not. So I cook more.
You are very right, 100%.
Okay, who dance better?
Ooh, I'll lay down my pan and teach me.
I thought you were going to say that is you.
No.
I thought you're gonna say that it's you. Guys, share this video. Share this video. We're gonna make it fast. We're not staying for too long. Just share this video. Let people join so that they can meet us up, okay? Alright. I don't know also how to dance very well, but I try my best, and at least I dance better than this man with 2 left legs.
They say in the city of the blind, one-eyed man is the king of that place. So since I don't know how to dance, so you are a good dancer, where I am. So so bravo, 100%.
So that is okay. Who love each other more?
Who love each other more? Who love each other?
I think I love you more, baby.
Who love each other more? Takes 2 to tango, but it takes 1 to love more.
Okay, who love each other more, guys? Even the audience can tell who love each other more. Who love each other more, guys? Tell me, who love each other more?
I do.
You love
I'm
me
the
more?
one, yeah, you know.
Are you sure?
I'm surely.
You're surely. Okay. Okay.
I'm really sure, my dear.
Yes, I think you are right.
Yeah.
I give you that. My husband loves me more. He shows me more love. Yes. Yes, you love me more.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
My husband loves me more. Okay. That is it. Who says I am sorry first?
Who says I'm sorry first when there is anything happening? Because take it or leave it to, forget about social media or whatever. We are down to earth. When I mean we are down to earth, we don't fake anything. In any marriage or relationship, there's always bound to be tribulation. There's always bound to be trials. You cannot escape it. There's no perfect marriage.
Okay.
But the only thing is that when there's conflict, somebody has to calm down. When I mean somebody has to calm down, somebody has to apply discretion, somebody has to apply wisdom, somebody has to be matured if actually you want that marriage to work out fine. You understand? So in that area, who will say sorry first? I personally will definitely say sorry first, because I need peace. Because when you are at peace with your wife, you will be at peace with the whole world. But when there's calamity at home, there will be calamity both home and outside. So me knowing that, having the awareness of that, so if we are trying to have...
And I be woman too, maybe say, I must wait for you to say sorry sometimes.
Anytime we have conflicts, then I just want to say, okay, I'm sorry, because let's call the speed a speed, let's call bygone be bygone. So when you say you are sorry, you see that at the end of the day, that thing will not escalate. Instead, it will die.
Exactly.
So it is more profitable for me to say I am sorry first. That is why anytime we have a little bit of misunderstanding, I will say I'm sorry, and it makes me feel so good.
Yeah. Okay, that is true. My husband always say to me, I'm sorry. Not always. I do also say to my husband, I'm sorry.
You do at times, yeah.
I do say to my husband, I'm sorry, because I also have to calm down and respect him. It's kind of a respect that way. Doesn't matter who is wrong or right. It's just that when I tell my husband, say I'm sorry, the thing is sweeter. The thing is sweet, my husband. Like if I just tell her, say I'm sorry, go be like best way they put ice block on in chest. You go see, you go laugh. You too like it when I tell you say I'm sorry.
Very, very well. Very, very well. It makes me feel, it makes me feel good at times. It makes the equation, the relationship balanced.
Okay.
Because when one person is always saying I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, one day the person, he's human. The person will one day be peace. I will say, even if you are wrong, you are right. You are always expecting me to say I'm sorry, and it does not make any sense at all. So it is good that we are balancing the equation. At times you say I'm sorry.
Let people follow. We have the reason why we started this way. Our bond of love.
Yeah.
Don't forget the name of our page. Our bond of love. All right. Let people follow. Otherwise, they are going to miss out how we started. Because all these questions now, many people might have to ask us later, or maybe they are going to ask us later. How did it happen? How did you guys meet? Because the next episode is gonna be when and where and how we really met each other in a very short video as well. Okay, so let nobody miss out. The beginning is always very important. That is the foundation. So if you follow up right now, you'll be able to understand what you're going to be saying All right, so that many people will not say, na kiss too much, oh, love birds, oh, na love like this, and you should say this one na real. So get the story right now, okay? So another question is, who gets angry quicker?
Who gets angry quicker? You write down and put.
Who gets angry
Why you
quicker?
write and put now?
Nobody gets angry, right?
Not really, but I'm a very
Maybe me. I think me.
No,
Me, I get angry quicker.
You know, I'm a very hot-tempered person, but I'm just trying to calm it down. Maturity.
Yeah, but you don't get angry here at home.
No, I don't.
But me, I do frown.
At times, yeah, you just frown your face so hard as if even who frown most? Not you. Now frown with the frown.
I frown at the front.
Angry, not good.
Actually, we don't get that kind of angry. We talk it out. We talk it out immediately. We communicate a lot. I'm very communicative. My husband is the calm type. But yet, at the beginning, my husband don't talk much at all. And I try to push him. You must talk. I love it when you talk because I have to get to know you where we communicate. Then I will know you better. You understand? So, yes, we talk a lot that we don't just get angry. Because we already talk it out. We communicate. Every little thing. There's no secret. If my husband is going to the toilet, I know. If we have any plan, we talk about it, we digress on it, we take our time. But sometimes I will just be angry. I don't know why. I'll just frown. But that has been like long time now, though. Yes, there was a certain time like that I just frown.
And at times, when the atmosphere is not conducive, at times, at times it's natural. You just be at times something will just get you angry. You don't know why you are angry. You just get pissed off. Everything around you is just.
But my husband is really very
understanding.
Careful.
He's understanding.
He's very careful. He's very careful. Never want to make me angry unnecessarily, because I can explode too. Like my husband, both of us now fire. If we should have to explode, okay. So who is more affectionate? I mean, Abi. I'm not guessing.
You not get strength.
I dey ginger my husband 24 hours. Who is more helpful?
Helpful is more helpful. That one is 50-50.
It's 50-50. But you are quite helpful though. As a husband, I will give as a wife, and I have had experience before, I will give my husband kudos. He is very helpful to me in every way and ramification, in every area. He's very supportive. He's very helpful to me, support me. I mean, it's not like some men, they will say, I will not do this. They have their certain kind of things they should do at home, It's good to serve a man. I do serve my husband, but this is not something I do on a daily basis because my husband is so helpful. He just supports me. We are like twins. Okay, we do things together. Every day thing, we just do things together. He goes shopping, I go shopping. He cleans, I cleanse. We put things in the washing machine. He does that as well. I iron, he irons. We do things completely like brothers and sisters. Sometimes I literally see my husband like either my brother or best friend.
Now sorry to continue.
It takes me time. I have said it to you many times now. I said I don't see my husband to be like my husband. I don't see him. I don't reason it. It's not in my head. I see him more like, this one mate. And they sound like say we they do this one together, like we they steal and say now abomination stuff will be siblings.
And in regards to that question, who is more helpful, I would really say is the upbringing. You understand? When you are properly being brought up in your home, your parents really taught you so many things on how you were doing it when you were with your parents. So it now becomes normal. When you are not bachelor, you see yourself doing it. And when you now married, you see yourself doing that same thing. Because it is your home. It is not other person's home. It's not like you are going to somebody's home to start doing that. It is your own house. So you do it with joy and with pleasure.
No, you did try always, Sha. I must confess. I don't know. You they try too much. My husband cook like woman.
Because my mom is a caterer.
And at the beginning, when I talked about my husband to a lot of people, you hear many people saying that man, he's a very hard man, oh, he's a action man, oh, are you sure? You know, many people be afraid because of the way my husband used to be when he was in Africa or when he was younger. Okay, but to my own greatest surprise, he started with tears begging me, and then he was so nice and loving till date. I was like, Mo, don't watch him. This one I pretending, Abi. Oh, watch him. Even after our wedding, some people were calling me and say, how far? Has he started beating you? I say, beat. Nothing like beat. Oh. For how many years now we've been together, my husband has never raised his hand, say, he beat me, he even touched me, safe. You understand? It has not come to that. And somebody was telling us, say, this one will be so not they quarrel. Did they want to go quarrel, it go explode? No. It's different. You must not quarrel. It's not called for. It's not necessary. Because once you start quarreling and then words start coming out of your mouth, then, because what I begged my husband the very first day we met was that if you really want our relationship to work, don't tell me any bad words. Instead of you to tell me any bad words, just keep quiet or walk away. Because those words you're going to say to me, I am the type that bad words, irritate forever. I will always remember it. Even maybe he won't do me safe. I go close my eyes. I go to remember the words when he tell me. So it's not going to work. I will always be angry. I always remember those words. So I'm just like my father. I hate when people tell me something bad. And then tomorrow you can't tell me, say you are sorry. You are supposed to have thought of it very well before telling me something bad. Because out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. I am not the type that accept that during trouble you should tell me everything bad. No, during trouble, whatever you say to me, you meant it. Because you have been waiting impatiently to talk to me that way. So I don't like it. And my husband, till today, he never ever raised his hand on me. And he does not tell me anything bad. It does not come to that anyway. It hasn't come to that since then. Yeah. So my husband is really a very wonderful husband. I would say. Yeah, I must give you that compliment. There's no need of keeping it secret. Okay. Who is funnier? Baby, I'm funnier.
Baby, you know now.
Baby, I'm funnier now.
Huh?
Am I not funnier?
Doris is here. We don't lie you. Doris is watching you.
I am funnier. Doris, who is funnier? You say my brother is a good and lovely man. Yes, incredible. He's unbelievable. Doris, who is funnier? I'm funnier.
No, baby, now see, you say my brother is a good. Okay, no, Doris.
Yes, Doris is really here.
She's here.
Yeah.
Who is more funny?
So this is Doris is my chief bridesmaid. She did my chief bridesmaid for me. Every activity, she was there. Doris Obiazi. One day we are coming to tell our story as well with me and Doris. She is the one I am supporting with V Doris Day family. Yeah. Please follow that page as well. Yes, I really want to give it all to support her because we have started our relationship since we were 5. Okay, since we were 5, I'm a little bit older than her. But for a very long time, how many years now? 37, 38, 39, 40? Yes, together. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys about our friendship as well. Doris, who is funnier? I am funnier, baby.
Baby, don't say so. Don't worry.
Baby, you are not too funny like that.
Even my dance not funny. My bad dance not funny.
No, as in, not be about dance. Like, funny. Let's see. No, Doris, you are cheating now. You are cheating. Your brother is not funny at all.
Is it not my brother?
Yeah, he said not my brother, they funny.
You know, me, I be funny. You understand?
Your name not funny.
My name not funny.
After romantic, your name not funny again.
The papa will born my man not funny be the man's name.
But baby, I'm really more funnier. I'm funnier. I'm really funny.
If I mess now, you will not say I funny now.
Baby, now that one you dey talk. Not bring me come out. Not bring me come out. I'm funny now. Okay, guys, I think I'm funny. You see, it's really good to bring out this topic, games couple play, because at least make my husband not go dey think say na he dey more funny.
They must say the queen is funny and somebody say both of you.
Okay.
I know they will support you.
I'm funny now. Okay. Mom is too funny. Yeah, I'm quite funny. Like, I always make my husband laugh.
You yourself a comedian.
Yeah, exactly.
No, I remember you are more funnier because even that one we do for Pokmugri. That shoe was a bomb.
My husband was walking around and like, what are you doing? What is it? He was looking around. He was like, until the video was done, he was like, he watched it more than 10 times. He couldn't believe that is my wife. He said, is this my wife?
You are right.
With this beard, how I came about
The
it.
invasion and all that.
The impression.
The costume, you know.
Yeah.
It was wow. It was bomb.
Yeah, right?
Really, yeah. Something like that has never happened on social media.
I think I'm going to be doing
Yeah.
more of it, guys. You guys
Really good.
follow this page well. I they come. I they come. I they dig. I they come. Any issue like that, I'm going to make fun of it a little bit. But I'm not there to criticize anybody. I don't criticize anybody. All right. Everybody have their way or the road they follow. So I'm not that blogger where I condemn anybody. I wasn't there when the issue was going on. So I cannot come and say na Tonto wrong or na Popogri wrong or na this one. But what I see is what I will use to judge issue. Like I did it was the English that I know that I used to spoke.
Then when you were in
I used to spoke when I was in the didn't village. All right. So who has a better taste in music?
That one na you, na me, na.
Na you, na me.
Na you, I say na you. Me no like music, na you, no.
Yeah.
You like,
Yeah.
you know, you love music so much.
Yeah. Okay, I love music a lot because I learn a lot from certain kind of music. I don't go listening to anyhow music, but in a very rare case, I listen to Assurance, Give Me Assurance, and anything I actually listen to, I memorize them. Immediately as I am listening to any music or any video, I make something out of it. I create something out of it. It means a lot to me. I can create message out of music. I can create message out of anything at all. You know, I can use the words. Whatever I see or where I have been or any message or any story I have heard, even if it's 30 years ago, I have all of them here.
You are full with creativity.
Yeah, I have all of them here. Every song, Celine Dion, Arokeli, even if I read now any story about Arokeli, it remains here. I don't know why. Even if it's about I'm supposed to be very intelligent if actually I went to school. And that is why it hurts me to say I didn't go to school and all those things. Because I can memorize things a lot and I can create many things out of anything. Okay? It's just that we don't have time. We have a lot of content really ready for us to showcase. But because the children comes first, the children activities, school and everything, they have to video us, and that is why it's kind of slow. But we are coming because we have a lot of content to add on. Really, like that video, you guys, they love it very much about a test of loyalty. We created it ourselves. We put things together just like that. You understand? And it was a bomb. People loved it.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, that video is supposed to carry up to like 2-3 million. Yeah. But because of the dullness we have on our page, that is why it's still running somewhere 200,000. It's still not bad. Yeah. In every situation, give glory to God. So most times I listen to the lyrics and not the jazz or the beat or whatever. The lyrics, the words, it means a lot to me when I listen to music. Okay, so that is it.
Okay. You want that now? Why are you looking at me? I'm saying, why are you looking at me?
Guys, that was it. Okay, so my husband said he loves me first. If you weren't there when we started this message, this program, my husband said he loves me first when we met each other. Immediately, from the very day I received his, I accepted his friend request. My husband already, when he just called me on video, now so he carry Bible. Don't they tell me saying love me? Don't they, so he started saying I love you first, and he continued with that love till date after so many years. Yeah, my husband is more romantic. Yeah, and I'm as well trying. I cook more, and I dance better. All right, and who loves each other more? My husband loves me very much more. All right, I love him also very much, but I think my husband loves me more, and I love it that way. I love it that way because at least I can make shakara. You understand? And my husband always say he's sorry. If my husband don't say he's sorry, my heart don't they beat very fast. Now he be say, hey, what did they happen? Because I'm used to my husband telling me he's sorry, and then sometimes I would just want to tantalize the relationship by just telling him also I am sorry. But in this case, doesn't come that much. We don't create error. We know what we like, we know what we hate, and all those small minor things can be. You don't have to say sorry for all those small. If there is minor thing, no, I don't know if there is any minor. Sometimes I even forget that we don't quarrel actually. We don't have misunderstanding like that, yeah. But like sometimes, most especially at the beginning of our relationship.
Yeah, baby, don't lie. We're on live video. Anything you say or will be used against you in the court of law. If you say we don't quarrel, most time we are eating together and we normally eat, we put meat. Meat normally cause quarrel.
No be you they eat all the meat. Only once when I won't eat the meat. You know I don't eat meat much. Exactly, because my husband knows I don't like meat so much. So he's always cooking with very few meat. Now, if he is the one serving or I'm the one serving, I'll just put 2 meat. You see my husband go just finish the meat. You just finish it like say I'm a vegetarian. When I said I don't eat meat, I said I don't eat too much meat. Not me say I know they eat meat.
But
That is when we quarrel over that meat.
When we grow, they come, if husband and wife they eat, viewers, please. If I'm lying, tell me I'm lying. If you and your wife are eating, your wife is supposed to finish eating and wash her own hand. Then me will come cut meat for you to take. Not you are eating with your husband, you are eating meat.
Not so now. Not so now.
Not in this computer age.
Yes,
computer age don't spoil everything.
No.
How you go to eat with your husband? You go to eat meat while your husband they eat, follow you they eat.
Baby, since I don't eat meat all the time, you're supposed to leave meat. You're supposed to even rejoice, say I won't eat meat. Because I always they leave meat for you. Now, if I won't eat meat, you will still on my husband will do like small picking with them born yesterday. You will they drag me to go hold my hand. You go hold my hand until he collect and put for mouth. When I judge the case, whether he good. My husband go hold lamb. You go hold lamb until he go collect the meat like this. Now I don't understand that kind of thing. You don't understand? Then I will be angry. Now there I will come frown. Because he finished the meat, he hold my hand, finish the meat. So it's not fair now. Only you. They finish the whole meat for us. You say you don't carry yourself come out. And you don't even forget. I don't even take them and say na quarrel.
And that meat now they cause worry.
And in fact, very soon, Steph, I know what they eat with you again. Because the meat, and when I eat with you, now I even they like to eat meat because the way you take the Russian. Go just my husband go hide meat for back. Baby. Yafale. Yafale.
She say
go hide meat for back. My husband go hide meat.
She eat it right, she will take meat, put her for left hand.
I'm not go keep her. Because I know what you do. You are good at it. You will just take meat, you will hide down. You will hide meat. Aye. My husband will hide meat.
I'll wash her.
You don't bring yourself come out.
That meat matter, they will settle around. Carry on first. Carry on.
Okay, Joyce Pretty is laughing. Now, reality, my husband they do like small pikin.
Huh?
Good job, you know go eat food, but you go to eat meat.
Meat? Yeah. I work for you.
Okay. So Ricardo is laughing. Yeah, so that's what we they do. My husband they do like small pikin. Tomorrow he go say na he senior me. Yeah, you will take senior me. So thank you so much, everybody.
Yes, that is when your great grandfather and your great grandmother were doing this in the new area when ladies eat meat before they were
no mind now. Okay. So affectionate, I am more affectionate, and I get angry a little bit like when he collects my meat and he use my perfume. My husband will have his perfume and my husband will spray my own. Baby, you see you? Exactly, that makes me also angry. Before I know it, my husband he go get his own perfume, big one, expensive perfume. Now my own. Now my husband they spray woman perfume. And he go they spray and plenty. If he reach your own perfume. Oh, this one are true guys. This
human being. Hey, human being.
That's what my husband go they spray your own. Cheap.
Because my perfume.
You go they spray her for armpit. You go they spray her for hair. You go they spray her for everywhere.
Because my perfume the last 1 year. Let me go to pay you a bit.
Your own the last now because you are spraying my own. Why you use my perfume? Woman perfume. Is it not a shame?
I know they use you know understand. I know they use them. I just want
These two things, I beg, Mona help me beg my husband. Make he leave my perfume alone.
make una see problem. Mona see me. Why I like to use a perfume once in a while, they say.
Not once in a while, baby. Every day.
If I'm going, maybe I'm going out, I'm going anywhere, I want to spray her perfume because I want to feel her. I want to feel her smell. I want to feel her. I want her to be close to me.
Not like they use and they economize your way. If they use and they save you. My husband, they use my own perfume. My own perfume now don't fit. I go say invite me to be my birthday. And that my birthday perfume, and my husband go see spray and finish. Now he go see spray and finish. Man go they spray woman perfume. Especially when we are going to the church, go they pour and I say they drink am. Just because they know my perfume. Okay. You two sabi everything. So my husband is more helpful. If you are just joining, these are the questions we asked each other. He helps me a lot. He supports me. He's very, very supportive. He's very loving. He fights for me. He stands by me. He cook. He do everything. Laundries. Nothing maybe say my husband or the sabi do. Okay. No only he just do everything for me. As in he supports me. I see it like as if it's me he's doing it for. Because I'm grateful. And yeah, men. Me, I love my husband. One hour without my husband, I don't know how it will be like. Okay, because I don't think I'm already addicted to the way he treats me. Okay, I'm already very, very addicted. And then who is funnier? I am funnier. That was the question as well we asked. And who has a better taste in music? That was the last question, which I have a better taste in music. Okay, thank you all so much. Thank you.
You don't finish.
You don't finish. Yeah.
Why the question go finish? You don't see you write questions without me even knowing, like this. You know, write one thing is missing.
What is that?
Please, viewers, I want to see the person that is very, very intelligent and smart. One thing is missing here. Can somebody please comment it on the comment section? Let me see.
What is that?
Something is missing that you did not write. Somebody should please help us out with that. Doris, please, are you here? Ricardo, nice. Pretty Joy. Something is missing.
Question that we haven't asked each other.
Yeah.
That maybe you like to know. So ask. Yeah, that please. Is a good one.
There's a question that she is supposed to write down that she did not write down here. So please.
I'm seeing it here because he loves you so much. He don't want to miss you. Yeah, exactly. Is there any question you have? Is there any question you have? Mommy, you too beautiful now. Waiting be the secret. Hey, now this cream one that they use, my sweet Doris Day sister. Now this cream one that they use, I go bring them maybe this weekend. I will have to because many people are really writing me on the inbox. I should introduce them to the cream. I'm sure the cream is good. Okay, the cream is really, really very effective.
So really nobody feel no. So make I help them out.
Thank you so much.
Make I help them out.
Okay.
There's a question that she's supposed to answer.
What is that?
Who do pass and who like to do?
Who like to do pass?
Who like to do? Oh, Facebook on a strong when helping on the raw. Who like doing pass and who do pass?
Which kind of question be that now? Everybody know the answer now.
Who know the answer?
Everybody know the answer.
They're there with us. Huh?
Who like that thing more?
Who down? Oh, everybody should clap for Doris. Give Doris love and like. Give Doris love and like. Give her love and like. She's in the spirit.
Doris, you don't spoil.
From today henceforth, you are prophetess Doris.
Yes. Somebody said who like each other, who love each other the other most. Who love each other most.
We've answered that.
We answered that. My husband loves me more. I love him also very, very much. I can't live without him. But my husband loves me more. Yeah, my husband loves me more.
So Doris has asked the question now, so he's now left to answer.
I asked it first. Chidi Ebere say he asked him first, so we don't say answer.
Yeah, Chidi Ebere, sorry.
Hey, really?
He said somebody don't answer. Who like that thing? But he writes on fully, but I don't answer fully. Who like that thing pass?
Now my husband like him pass. I like him pass.
I still like him more.
So she don't put that. He can fight.
Wait, he got to create that thing, eh?
Well, you don't post. My husband don't post.
God to create.
Baby. Since you don't post, see your body.
Hey, no, God, you too much. Oh. If not for that thing, this world will not be complete. So if you are missing out, I used to be me, and the deny. I like how where you know now, not be like now. You say we should be.
Since you don't post, you just put hands straight, baby. I want for you. Is there any question? Something is missing out of two of you. Which one stronger in the bed? Romantic.
Now we dey talk since now.
Now we dey talk.
Now we dey talk since now.
My husband is good. My husband is good. It's okay. It's okay. Father, now you like and pass. Joyce Pretty don't answer. So like there is no more questions. Around 9 o'clock, we have issues to settle, guys. Don't leave us alone. No. Not be only 60 people go watch them. And not be only 60 people go solve this situation. Because it's really, really very critical. She's in tears, okay? She's in pain. And she has to make a decision very, very fast. Since this period we were supposed to have presented, we never knew it's so urgent. All right, she really have to make a decision. Okay, please, guys, help us to join her to make decision, because you know sometimes we don't just tell people go ahead and do it this way, so that if they make that decision, or if we tell them what to do, if it is not working out well, they will say na KO family tell us more will do one like that. Oh, even there is a young lady who says she is 25 and her boyfriend or husband to be is 53. If she should marry the man, I don't know. I cannot tell you. So those kind of things we don't bring in to quarrel about. But the ones that are very, very, really, they shouldn't make mistake, then we'll bring it out. But for 25 to go and marry 53, if I tell you not to, you will say, I mean, make you not marry. If I tell you you should go ahead, then I don't know if I will be happy, because I am married to my age mates, and I am advising you to go and marry to someone who is older than you. Though age is a number, it doesn't matter. I think that decision should be better made by this person who is about to really marry, especially that woman. You should make your decision by yourself. Today, on this very our love, our bonds, we are talking about marriage, we are talking about relationships. So join us around 9 o'clock. As you join us, God bless. All right, thank you all so much. Okay, thank you all so much. Love is a beautiful thing.
Don't get it twisted.
Bye.